Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to fix the slow charging on your Android phone and get it back at full speed. So let's just get started. So first of all, we can just go over and enable the airplane mode or turn off the phone. So you can access the quick settings panel for that and go ahead and look out for the flight mode option. And you can just go over and turn this option on for a second and turn it off once again. That should reduce more battery usage. And uh, when the airplane mode is turned off, you can charge your phone. Even that should work and make it faster. Also, always use the charger and cable that came with your phone. Fast charging may not work with third-party chargers, so you can just go ahead and do so. Also, use battery saver. So go to your settings for that, and once you go to your settings, scroll down, look out for the battery and device care section and tap on it. And within there, look out for the battery saver option, tap on battery. And from here, look out for this power saving option. So if this option is turned off, you can just go and tap on it and turn it back on, and that should reduce the battery usage and charge faster. And if your battery is old or worn out, it may need replacement for proper charging speed. So you can just go and do so. And if you're using any kind of heavy applications while charging, avoid it at all. Avoid streaming videos while charging it to speed it up. And that's it. Follow these steps and your Android phone will charge much faster. So if this video helped, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Android tips. And see you next time.